Welcome back to the channel. Finding the perfect gift for your fiance can be challenging, but it's also a wonderful opportunity to show your love and appreciation. Today, we'll explore the 7 best gifts for your fiance that are thoughtful, unique, and sure to make him feel special. Let's dive right in. Number 1. All-natural romantic couples gift. Fun and adventurous date night box first. On our list is the all-natural romantic couples gift. Fun and adventurous date night box. This gift is perfect for couples looking to spice up their date nights with a touch of creativity and adventure. The box includes various activities designed to bring you closer together, ranging from romantic to adventurous themes. Each activity is carefully curated to provide a unique experience, whether you're planning a cozy night in or an exciting day out. The quality of the materials included in the box is impressive. From beautifully designed cards to thoughtfully crafted items, everything exudes a sense of luxury and attention to detail. The activities are versatile, catering to different interests and preferences, ensuring that there's something for every couple. This makes it an excellent choice for keeping the spark alive in your relationship. Usability is another strong point of this gift. The activities are easy to follow and require minimal preparation, allowing you to focus on enjoying each other's company. Durability is also considered, with high-quality items that can be reused for future date nights. Overall, this date night box is a fantastic way to create lasting memories and deepen your connection with your fiancé.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. XIKEZAN Upgraded Beard Grooming Kit. Next, we have the XIKEZAN Upgraded Beard Grooming Kit. This all-in-one grooming kit is ideal for the bearded fiancé who takes pride in maintaining his facial hair. The kit includes a variety of tools and products designed to keep his beard looking sharp and well-groomed. Inside, you'll find high-quality items such as beard oil, balm, a brush, a comb, scissors, and more. Each product is formulated with natural ingredients, ensuring they're gentle on the skin and effective in maintaining a healthy beard. The design of the kit is sleek and practical, with each item thoughtfully included to address different aspects of beard care. The beard oil and balm are particularly noteworthy as they help to condition and soften the beard while providing a subtle, pleasing scent. The brush and comb are made from durable materials, ensuring they'll stand up to regular use. In terms of usability, the XIKEZAN kit is straightforward and user-friendly. Each product comes with clear instructions, making it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their grooming experience. The durability of the tools and products is impressive, offering long-lasting performance. Number 3. Pretty Inappropriate Fiancé Gifts for Him, Hip Flask. At number 3, we have the Pretty Inappropriate Fiancé Gifts for Him, Hip Flask. This cheeky and charming gift is perfect for the fiancé with a sense of humor. The hip flask is engraved with a humorous message, adding a personal and fun touch. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the flask is both durable and stylish, ensuring it will last for years to come. The design of the flask is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. It holds a generous amount of liquid, perfect for enjoying a favorite drink on the go. The engraving is well done with clear and sharp lettering that stands out against the polished metal. This attention to detail enhances the overall aesthetic of the flask. Usability is a key feature of this gift. The screw-on cap is secure and leak-proof, ensuring that the contents stay safely inside. The flask is also easy to clean, making it convenient for regular use. Durability is assured thanks to the stainless steel construction, which resists corrosion and wear. This hip flask is not only a practical gift, but also a fun and memorable one that your fiancé will enjoy using. Number 4. UNGENT The Matching Couple Ring Bracelets. Gifts for Fiancé. Number 4 is the UNGENT Them Matching Couple Ring Bracelets Gifts for Fiancé. These matching bracelets are a beautiful symbol of love and commitment, making them a perfect gift for your fiancé. Each bracelet features a ring charm representing your bond and shared future. The bracelets are adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for both of you. The quality of the materials used is exceptional. The bracelets are made from durable and hypoallergenic materials, ensuring they're safe to wear daily. The ring charms are polished to a high shine, adding an elegant touch to the design. The craftsmanship is evident in the attention to detail, from the smooth edges of the rings to the secure clasps of the bracelets. Usability is another strong point. The adjustable design means they can be easily resized to fit any wrist, providing a comfortable and secure fit. The bracelets are also easy to put on and take off, making them practical for everyday wear. Durability is ensured through the high-quality materials, which resist tarnishing and wear over time. These matching bracelets are a meaningful and stylish way to celebrate your relationship. Number 5. TESLYAR Wood Phone Docking Station Key Holder Watch Organizer. At number 5, we have the TESLYAR Wood Phone Docking Station Key Holder Watch Organizer. This multifunctional organizer is perfect for the fiancé who values organization and style. Made from high-quality wood, the docking station is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, making it a great addition to any room. The design of the organizer is both practical and elegant. It includes various compartments and slots to hold a phone, keys, watch, wallet, and other essentials. The smooth finish and natural wood grain add a touch of sophistication, making it a stylish piece that complements any decor. The thoughtful layout ensures that everything has its place, reducing clutter and making it easy to find what you need. Usability is a key feature of this product. The docking station is designed to be easy to use, with each compartment and slot strategically placed for convenience. The phone slot is angled perfectly for easy viewing and charging, while the key holder and watch organizer keep your essentials within easy reach. Durability is assured through the use of high-quality wood, which resists scratches and wear. Number 6. Northwest Unisex Silk Touch Bathrobe. Number 6 is the Northwest Unisex Silk Touch Bathrobe. This luxurious bathrobe is perfect for the fiancé who enjoys a bit of pampering. Made from high-quality silk touch fabric, the robe is incredibly soft and comfortable, providing a luxurious feel every time it's worn. The unisex design makes it suitable for anyone, offering a relaxed and comfortable fit. The quality of the fabric is outstanding. The silk touch material is not only soft, but also durable, ensuring it will last for years. The robe features a classic design with a shawl collar, tie belt, and deep pockets, adding to its functionality and style. The craftsmanship is evident in the attention to detail, from the reinforced stitching to the smooth finish of the fabric. Usability is another strong point. The robe is designed to be easy to wear and care for, with a comfortable fit that allows for freedom of movement. The deep pockets provide convenient storage for small items, while the tie belt ensures a secure fit. Durability is assured through the high-quality fabric and construction, which resist wear and tear. Number 7. Ganz 6-Piece Wooden Block Wedding Day Countdown Calendar. Finally, we have the Ganz 6-Piece Wooden Block Wedding Day Countdown Calendar. This charming calendar is a perfect way to build excitement as you count down the days to your wedding. The set includes wooden blocks with numbers and a base that features a sweet message, making it a lovely decorative piece. The design of the calendar is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The wooden blocks are beautifully crafted, with clear and easy-to-read numbers. The base features a heartfelt message that adds a personal touch, making it a meaningful gift. The neutral color palette ensures that the calendar will complement any decor, making it a versatile addition to your home. Usability is a key feature of this product. The blocks are easy to rotate and change, allowing you to keep track of the days with ease. The sturdy construction ensures that the calendar will remain stable and secure even with regular use. Durability is assured through the high-quality wood, which resists wear and maintains its appearance over time. And that concludes our review of the 7 best gifts for your fiancé. Each of these thoughtful choices is sure to show your love and appreciation in a unique way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gift ideas. Just sit here and review this. Share your thoughts and favorite gifts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.